Hey guys, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change Blogger theme. So first of all, you need to log in on your Blogger website. You can see this is my website, so I want to change it. Then just go to theme, then choose your perfect theme. So example for I choose this one, then click on apply. Okay, it's successfully done. Then I'm going to my website, then refresh. You can see this will be changed. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.